When I think of HAAS machines, I think of American and Formula One, but did you know they have over 10,000 spindles across the UK, and they claim that they have the most popular machine globally sold, producing 20 VF2s every day. I've travelled to Leicester to find out why you should buy a HAAS machine. With such a huge array of machines, I wanted to start at the beginning. So what does the VF1 mean?
VF1 actually stands for very first one, and it was the name given to the first VMC that was designed and manufactured by Gene HAAS in the United States. And the benefits of this are, with making so many components for so many machines, we can reduce the costs, which we can pass on the saving to our customers, whether that be at the point of sale on a new machine or with service and support.
What I found unique about HAAS is the fact that they make their own ancillary equipment. So I wanted to find out how the engineer benefits from this.
HAAS make everything on the HAAS machine, from the HAAS control, the HAAS spindle, the castings. We're in control of the whole manufacturing process. We also make ancillary equipment, rotary tables, bar feeders, pallet pulls. And why this is so good for an engineer is we're just one phone call away and nobody knows these machines better than we do.
With over 100 machines in the range, I wanted to find out exactly what it is that HAAS produce.
Well, let's break it down a bit. We do milling, so we do vertical machining centres, horizontal machining centres and 5-axis machining centres. We do turning, so we do 2-axis lathes, we do driven tool lathes, and we also do ancillary products, as we've mentioned before, rotaries, bar feeds, pallet loaders. So if we start with our range of VMCs, we start with the mini mill, which is perfect for a first-time user, or as a second-op machine. We go all the way up to our VF14, which is for the big heavy equipment, big heavy industry. If we look at our range of UMCs, we have a nice small UMC 500, and we go all the way up to the UMC 1000. And moving on to our horizontal range, we start with the EC 400, which is a twin pallet machine. This is designed for multi-pallet work. It's a very powerful machine. We also go up to the EC 1600, which is a single bed machine with a rotary built into the bed, perfect for large scale work. These machines also come in 40 and 50 taper, which are very powerful for different types of work. And so finally, our range of lathes, we have the tool room lathes, and then we also have the ST range of lathes, starting with the ST10, working all the way up to the ST55. Our range of lathes are really user-friendly with the VPS system with things like Shape Creator built in.
What's unique about HAAS is they don't have a third-party control. They manufacture their own control. So I wanted to find out what the advantages are here.
The HAAS control is really user-friendly. So if you look through the range at the VMCs and the lathes, you'll see the layout is just the same. We keep it this way so our engineers, both new and old, can jump on the machine and get programming in a matter of minutes.
HAAS has been in the UK for over 31 years. That's a huge achievement for any company.
That's correct. We're in a really strong position. We have a huge team of engineers to back us up. I myself come from an engineering background. I've worked my way through the company as an apps engineer, as a service engineer, and have now moved into a more sales-based role. We're engineers working with engineers, and that's the same with 90% of our sales force. We're all time-served engineers, and we're here to support the customer.
Well, it's safe to say you're never too far away from a HAAS machine or a HAAS engineer. So if you are interested in any of their technology, do head to their website for more information.